So we got our first flat. I am here attempting to just give it a look to see what might have punctured it, if anything. It looks like it's this thing right here, that thorn. Something's sticking into the tire right there. The sealant did not work, and I had a flat tire yesterday. Got it like a little more. See if I can pull it out. Don't know what it is. Thorn. That might do it, though. Well, I'm hoping all I have to do is put some more sealant in and fill it up again if there's no more thorns soaking in. So I'm just going to keep looking it over for more thorns. Hopefully that was it. Just one thorn that gave me a flat. All right, let me fill it up. All right, I just took out the core, my little core remover tool, and then put some more of the orange seal back in. And here we are. Let me see if it leaks. Wow, the real truth, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wow. Yep, we got about 6 spots that are all leaking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's not good. 6 different spots where it's leaking? Man, sealant doesn't look like it's doing its job. It's just squirting it all out in all of these holes, but at least I know where they all are now. So what to do? Order a new tire or just try to patch all of them? I don't know what to do, honestly. I'm gonna have to think about it or research it. Is it worth getting a new tire or is it just worth trying to patch them all? How much is a new tire? Now I need a new kickstand because that thing busted. A new flap lever to fold the thing down because that thing busted. And now I need a new tire because that thing's flat. Man, am I not liking this lately. But I guess that's the maintenance you do after 1 year of beating the absolute crap out of it. It's got like 600 miles on it for a year, all off-road, and yeah, it's had the crap beaten out of it many times over. So here we are, dealing with a flat tire with 6 different holes in it, not stopping from the orange. Are any of them stopping? No, man, there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them over there, 5. I can see 5 of them just right there. That's crazy. We get 5 holes there, 2 more, 6, 7. Is that it? 7. That's definitely not gonna stop anytime soon, so I'm screwed. I don't think I'm riding the scooter today, everybody. Well, since Roadrunner didn't have any of these tires that are 10 inches, which is weird, they just had the 11-inch off-road tire. I got one from Amazon, and we're getting this one, so it should work. $30 you get the tire and the tube, which should work. I'll use the tube later or something. I'll take the free tube, though. Gonna have to wait a few days to get this, so I'm gonna add more sealant for now and pray to the bike gods. So we're just putting more sealant in, and no, I don't think we're gonna get anywhere. Not good. There's just too many holes. 7 holes. Look at that. 2 more right there. Another one right there. Maybe if it dries, I leave it for a while, but it's not looking good. We have too many holes. Craziness. So I'm going to just wait until Sunday until I get the new tire. This tire's just done. Just trashed. 1 year use. Completely off-road. So, all right. See you guys when I get the tire. So here we are at the next day, and I don't know. I don't see any more leaking. I just filled it up to 50 psi. It's probably gonna hold, but you know, what happens when I smash the first bump or 1,000? I don't trust it. So we're gonna let the new tire come and I'm just gonna put the new tire on. But I would love to test this in a sense, so maybe I will test this first. So I don't know. Maybe. I don't know what to do. Test it and then get screwed, or just wait and put the new tire on. But I mean, the orange seal actually looks like it did seal all of the holes. Let's take another look at the other ones. Do we see any leaking? No leaking. Not seeing any bubbling like yesterday. Even the little ones over here, no bubbling. That was the biggest one, no bubbling. I don't know. I don't trust it, but the orange seal definitely works. Make no mistake about it. And for the record, the grips, yeah, they're done. But probably have to buy new ones at some point because yeah, my hands are getting a little bit worn out right there with no gloves. They still work, but you know, what are you gonna do? Replace them, leave them. You tell me, you know? I just got this new tire for the scooter a few days. But you know, the internet says it should last almost forever with the new sealant in there because it's probably been over 3 or 4 months since I put any new sealant in, and now it has new sealant in, so I think it plugged the holes up and it's holding pressure perfectly fine. So I think I'm gonna keep using it until I wear out the nubs more and just test out the sealant. And 7 holes with the sealant, I have no idea. I'm a little iffy, but let's just open up the tire and see what it looks like anyways, and get ready for when I do have to finally replace one of the tires. And here she is. It looks like it's a little wider than my last one, which is interesting. But once it's filled with air, it'll probably go back to the normal shape. But it looks good. I like it. Compared to this one, let's see. Well, that's the comparison of the treads. So this one seems like it's got possibly more tread and less space. This one has more space in between, and that's where a lot of the punctures were with the thorns. So I think this tire is just going to be better in general. And I got the free inner tube, even though I probably won't use it. But if I need to, I will. But I was thinking thinking freeing a tube would help because I can just shove it into this one if I really want. Just get back into this one, clean out the inside of it, make sure there's nothing protruding, and then put the tube in and I can use this one again. The tube, that is. So I don't think that's a good idea though, because it'll just get punctured quicker, I think. It kept up with 7 punctures, so I think the sealant is the way to go far more than the tube. So, but the tube's still fun to have. So, all right, we're very happy. Pretty cool tire. Feels good, smells good. Smells like, ooh, yeah, smells like tire. That's good. Smells good. All right, so I'll just put this aside for now and keep running her. All right, I'm going to take the scooter on a 2-hour test. It's like 7 o'clock Saturday night. I'm going to grab the dogs, go for 2 hours in the darkness, and beat the crap out of it and see what happens. I don't know. I don't really trust that sealant so well, considering how pounded this thing gets and how much of a beating it takes, but guess we'll find out. All right, let's get out there. All right, we got the 2 dogs on the trail. I've been riding for like 5 to 10 minutes so far, and I think the tire's good. It's still holding like super pressure, but I guess we'll find out over time. See how much leaks out, if any, and if it really can take a beating out here, because yeah, there's like sticks and rocks and roots everywhere, and it's gonna get hammered. So I'll let you know how it goes. In terms of the air, where the orange sealant was put in with the 7 holes, it is fine, and here we are, like, I'm gonna say 2-3 weeks later. I've ridden this thing so many times, haven't filled it with any air. It's still great. So thanks, orange sealant or bike tube sealant. Works very well in general, I think, and it's the best option for off-road riding around lots of thorns and lots of just debris. So I'm definitely gonna put some more in the front soon. I ordered some more. I only have a little left. Definitely ordered a nice new 16-ounce bottle just to keep up with everything I got at the moment. Very, very happy about the orange sealant and how well it worked after I gave it a day to dry. That's all it was. I wasn't patient enough in the beginning clips to understand I needed to give it a day. And I think I read that when I was researching. So that helps. Always helps to research, people. So we're psyched.